Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to GitHub Packages from VPS builds. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to GitHub Packages from your VPS builds, first, ensure you have your GitHub personal access token ready. Navigate to your GitHub account settings. In the left sidebar, click on Developer Settings. Next, select Personal Access Tokens. Click on Set the expiration date according to your needs. Under Select Scopes, ensure you check Read Packages and Write Packages. After selecting the desired scopes, click Generate Token. Now, log into your VPS via SSH. Install Docker if it is not already installed. To log into GitHub Packages, use the Docker login command. The command format is echo token docker login https://docker.pkg.github.com. Your username password stin. Replace token with your personal access token. Replace username with your GitHub username. Execute this command in your terminal. You should see a message indicating a successful login. Next, set up your Docker file or build configuration to pull from GitHub Packages. When specifying the image, use the format docker.package.github.com/username/repo/image tag. Replace repo with your GitHub repository name. Replace image with the specific image name. Replace tag with the version or tag you want to use. Now, you are ready to build your images using resources from GitHub Packages. Run your build command as usual, and your VPS will fetch packages from GitHub. This process ensures secure access to your GitHub packages directly from your VPS builds. Always store your personal access tokens securely. Regularly review and manage your tokens for security best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.